Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. A special day, yes, a special day. It's a 50th day. We have started this English vocabulary. So this is the 50th day. So almost I can say definitely more than 1000 plus words we have discussed so far. Per day if you calculate, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normally 6 words we mention for each word. 6 4s are 24, and even more also, because for each synonym we do mention 3 or more also. Like that, if you count, it will be more than 30 words per day. Even more than that it will be. Why? Because normally I do read many synonyms and antonyms apart from this. Even if you are observing those, it will be even more than that one. If you consider only 24 words per day, that itself will come to, actually it won't be 50 into 24. Why? Because after 15 days we went through the revision of the sessions. 3-day sessions are revisioned and put it on each day. Like that we went ahead. Like that, if you consider, it will be 40 days so far, continuously going ahead with that. So even 40 into 24, if you put it on board, it will be 960 words. But if you put 40 into 30, it will be 1200 words, which we put it on board only. Apart from that, if you are following my additional words, whichever I am uttering, it will be more than 1500. So definitely I can say it's a minimum of 1000 words so far. It's a great achievement, right? Those are regularly following. Yes, hats off, congratulations. Now we go ahead with today's vocabulary. Striking, S-T-R-I-K-I-N-G. Bout, B-O-U-T. Behemoth, B-E-H-E-M-O-T-H. Woe, W-O-E. Striking, noticeable, attracting a lot of attention. Attracting a lot of attention. That is what we call it as striking. More attractive than usual. Attracting attraction through unusual qualities. Easily noticed. That is what we call it as striking. What are all the synonyms, ma'am? Obvious, conspicuous, catchy, astonishing, stunning, noteworthy, fascinating, memorable, outstanding, startling, arresting, compelling, emphatic, showy, prominent, memorable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: usual, boring, regular, normal, weak, unshowy, ordinary, homely, bad, usual. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Tom is handsome but not as striking as his brother John. Tom is handsome but not as striking as his brother John. One more example can be given. Ma, what is striking now on this board? What is striking? Number 50 is striking all over, right? Why, ma? Because I told you this is a 50th day we started that. So 50 number is striking all over. Hope you are clear now, right? Bout, spell, session, period of activity, a short period of involvement in an activity or illness. That is what we call it as bout. So even one more meaning is there. A boxing or wrestling match, a contest fight, that is also we call it as bout. So what are all synonyms? Period, time, event, match, shift, game, term, circle, round, course, contest. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: stagnation, relief, remission, arrest, peace. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: occasional bouts of exercise are essential in everyone's life. Occasional bouts of exercise are essential in everyone's life. He is a former heavyweight champion and is expected to win this bout easily. He is a former heavyweight champion and is expected to win this bout easily. Ma clear? Behemoth, huge, an extremely large and powerful. That is what we call it as behemoth. Behemoth, an extremely large and powerful. It can be animal, company, organization. So this is what we call it as behemoth. Synonyms: huge, enormous, colossal, gigantic, monster, mammoth, beast, titan, leviathan. All these words can be related to synonyms. Even we can say gigantic and very powerful, like hippopotamus, elephant, whale, so etc. Ma clear? Antonyms: tiny, teeny, hope you remember, T-E-E-N-Y, dwarf, pygmy, very small, runt, midget, diminutive, peewee, half pint. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we were scared of the behemoth roller coaster to take ride. We were scared of the behemoth roller coaster to take ride. Ma clear? Oh, misery, bad troubles causing much suffering. What we call it as woe. Misery, a condition of a deep suffering, great sorrow or distress, things that cause sorrow, distress, troubles. That is what we call it as woe. Ma clear? What are all the synonyms? Misery, sorrow, distress, agony, anguish, calamity, catastrophe, gloom, pain, torture, tragedy, travel. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: happiness, miracle, joy, pleasure, prosperity, content, relief, blessing, boon, cheer. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the Chennai city's traffic woes are well known to all. The Chennai city's traffic woes are very well known to all. I hope everybody is clear with this. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.